has been misusing and abusing its power to such an extent that it has no concern for the sanctity of democracy and the election process. Now everybody knows that the election code is in force from September 25th to October 27th. या असताना तरी Public Service Commission interviews various posts. So far so good interview, but they have declared the results. They have declared the results. Now, declaring, and there are almost 25 different posts, not one and two. The post is Assistant Superintendent, Archaeologist in the Director of Archives, Junior Scale Officer of Goa Civil Service in Personnel Department, Junior Pediatrician under Director of Health Services, Junior ENT Surgeon under Director of Health Services, Assistant Professor in Neurology in GMC, Assistant Lecturer in Anesthesiology, ICU in GMC, and Lecturer in Anesthesiology in GMC. Now these results have been declared. This is clearly a violation of the code of conduct, and it is bound to vitiate, because these candidates who have been declared as successful are going to be pressurized to see that they work in the right direction. And we have written to the State Election Commission and we demand strict action. We would have moved the judiciary, but the judiciary will not intervene, saying that the election process is on. Therefore, we are demanding the State Election Commission, who is fully geared up, to take action as per the law. Will you allow this blatant situation which is bound to vitiate the results of the election?